Hey, what's going on? What's going on? We just chilling. Oh no, nigga.
I don't fuck with motherfucking none of that YouTube, none of that other extracurricular bullshit, nigga. We don't fuck with that, nigga. We real
nigga, we good, nigga. We good.
Real talk.
We good. What's going on? Know what I'm saying? We just chilling.
Nigga, gangsters.
Know what I'm saying?
What's going on?
Know what I'm saying? We good.
Nigga.
We good.
Hood, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
On the block, Twitter that.
You know what I'm saying?
Doing me.
You know what I'm saying? This nigga trying to run away from the camera and shit. We over here chilling, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This, my niggas, know what I'm saying? My nigga about to get married, so we doing a bachelor party like for real. We about to do a bid. We just chilling. You know what I'm saying? We just chilling. This like our second Remy. We had a red Remy, y'all. I don't know. We had a red Remy. I don't know. This shit was, I don't know. It was a red bottle. I ain't never had it, but it was good, and I love it. You know what I'm saying? That's all we drink is Remy. But you know what I'm saying? You see, we on our way. We better go to the club, gentlemen's club. We, you know what I'm saying? Everybody just, you know what I'm saying? Just kind of tweaking, looking at Heineken's and no, I'm tweaking. But everybody just in their own little zone right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm just, everybody, I'm gonna keep y'all in too. Everybody on their phone right now. That's my little big bro. That's my little big bro right now. That's my little big bro. I'm 4 years older than him, and he's so bigger than me. That's my brother.
Been doing it for years, whatever. You know what I'm saying? J.O. out here.
That's my little brother.
Been doing this shit. Get money, been doing this shit, man.
That's my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? This nigga finna get married in a couple of days, nigga.
Yep.
Nigga shit, nigga. We out here doing the bid. My
Yes, sir.
You got my phone?
Yes, sir. Nigga, I ain't got your motherfucking phone. This man is getting married. You know what I'm saying? This real G. This nigga trying to find his phone. Nigga, I seen your phone on the motherfucking table. Nigga, somewhere. But I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, and say, you know what I'm saying, goodbye right now. I'm gonna have to go ahead and end it right now. But this nigga lost his.
Hold on, whoa.
This nigga lost his motherfucking phone. Let me hit y'all back. We gotta call this nigga phone. You want me to hit his phone? Alright.
I was calling your phone, too. Hold on, call the phone.